Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube family? What up? Alright, this video right here is gonna be a cash out. I'm gonna do a couple cash outs right here. I got PrizeRebel OfferNation Super Pay, RewardingWays, and I also have my other site that I use is for the best for videos to watch videos on InstaGC. Alright, so I'm gonna go over these sites real quick. Quick cash out multiple sites. This video is gonna be about a lot of people get on my a lot of people hit me up and they're telling me like, yo, I don't know where to start. You got so many videos, you got so much content out. Where do I exactly start? Like, where do I start? So this is gonna be the beginner's guide exactly to where do I start. All right, where do I start from making $10 every single day? All right, so I'm on this video right here. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna make your $10 every single day. All right, shout out to the subscribers, shout out to the online team. Hit me up on Instagram at Free Online Money Maker. Hit me up on Snapchat, Free Online Money. All right, I'll hit you back. Ask me anything, people. All right, ask me anything. All right. I'm gonna go to PrizeRebel. I'm gonna go to PrizeRebel site right here, and as you can see on my rewards history right here, you can see total redeemed this year $65. Only made $65 in 28 days. That's terrible. But one thing I always tell everybody, this is 100% free. All right, this is what my channel is about. My channel teaches you how to make 100% free online money. All right, this came to be 100% free. So even though I am pissed off, it is only $65. I wish it was $650, right? But at the end of the day, what are we doing? We're starting. You have to start somewhere. You have to make and create some type of steady stream of income every single day. All right. So on PrizeRebel, I come here, I put my videos on. Watch my PrizeRebel tutorials. All right. It's not a tutorial video. This is just a video just to show you at your starting point. All right. Now, after I introduce these videos, these are not in order. All right. After I cash out these videos, these sites right here, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna put it in order. All right. So stay tuned for later in this video. I'm gonna put them exactly in order and exactly like how to use each site. But like I said, I got so many tutorials on all these sites, and I have different tutorials that come from different angles so you can see a different perspective, all right? But this video right here, I'm going to show you 5 sites. It's 5 sites of making $10 a day, all right? All you have to do is make bare minimum $2 a day. $2 a day on each site is $10. You're only using 5 sites, all right? So you can do this, all right? You can do this, all right? So $10 a day, every single day is $3,600, $3,650 at the end of the year. All right, $3,650 at the end of the year. So why not get free $3,650 every single, like, you know what I'm saying? Why not? Like, why not? It's up to you. All right, it's really up to you. All right, on my PrizeRebel account right here, $65 is terrible right here. Redeemed last year. I redeemed $1,585 last year. The year before that was around 3,000. I think it was 3,000 or 4,000, something like that. All right, so like I said, only reason I didn't do too good this last year, I didn't make double or more, is because I took all my income, the income I was making from here, I was figuring out how to do different things. Like how do I build, I'm basically buying courses. So I'm learning different steps. All right. Like I do a lot of self-help, a lot of self-education, a lot of psychology. All right. A lot of mental education. All right, as far as billionaires and millionaires and successful people, why they're successful and other people are not. Why is only like 1% of the world like on a higher level than everybody else? It really shouldn't be that way, but a lot of people don't like to sacrifice and do a lot. It's really deep. It's really deep. All right, but I'm gonna teach you guys these things as we go along. Let me catch this out real quick. It's 1922. If this was about if this was about 78 more cents, I would be able to cash out $20. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to rewards. I'm gonna cash out another thing. Let me just show you my rewards history real quick. Look, all right. So if 5, 5, 5, 10, you can let it build. One thing is I always tell people, especially as a beginner's guide, all right, tip 1 for beginner's guide, never let your account build. All right, if you could cash out at $5, as soon as you get $5, cash it out. Don't let it build. All right, you never know what's gonna happen to these sites. You never know what's gonna happen, so you don't just wanna, you know what I'm saying, not be able to cash out if one of these sites go down. I had this one site. I gotta do a video on that next too. I had this one site that did go down. And I think I had about maybe $100 and something in there. So I should have cashed that out. That wasn't too smart. All right. So like I said, I don't want that to happen to you guys. And it was a site that I think it was the second site that I've ever used to make money online. And it just stopped. It just went out of business maybe like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, maybe 2 months ago, something like that. And I made well over $600-700 off of that. So That's pretty good, right? Free income, people. You have to understand that free websites, free apps and stuff like that. All right, let me go in here, go to my rewards. And if it's a beginner's guide, a lot to dive into. But like I said, you just have to do the math, and you just got to break it down. When I say do the math, just break it down. 5 sites, $2 a day. That's $10. It's not rocket science. Like, don't sit here and try to make it something it's not. All right. And sometimes this is why I don't like doing it. See how the points went down? I don't like that. It'll probably go back up after it refreshes. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Still $18.99. It's all right. I don't have enough to cash out 20 anyway. But yeah, like I said, and you don't want to waste any time, people. Like we're not gonna be doing this every day. It's 2020. Like what more do you want? Like what more do you want? So now I cashed out $15 here, right? Cashed out $15 here. Look, $80. Now I cashed out $80 for the year. All right, so 28 days, $80. I'll take that. Right? I'll take that. Now, if I could do this on every single site that I have, say if I had 10 sites like this doing this every month, that's $800, 100% free. So you have to understand that I'm really trying to help my team out there. The reason why I go so low when it starts to making money online, I teach you how to make 25 cents. I teach you how to make $1. I teach you how to make $5. Is because there should be no excuse after 3, 6, 9, 12 months after using my system. There should be no excuse why you can't get on a higher level. Now, I'm not trying to say you're going to get rich and all this other stuff. It's not about that. But get on a higher level. If you was making $100 every day, not online or anything, just basically your 9 to 5, any other income that you had put in, whatever. Say if you was making $100 a day, you come on my site. You come a free online money maker. You start watching my videos. You implement what I'm doing on an every single day basis. Now you're making $120 every day. You added extra $20 to your income every single day until you figure out how to make $30 a day. Until you figure out how to make $40 a day, $50. That's all you're doing. You're leveling up. All right, we're leveling up. All right. The only reason I did this because I didn't want to leave nobody out because it easily skipped over, paid for some courses, and just keep paying, buying a course, and keep doing it. Because when you buy courses, that's another. Watch my other video on courses. When you buy courses, you got to keep buying them until one works, obviously. So that a lot of times, that's the problem with courses. They all have a lot of upsells, and a lot of times they don't work. Like, they don't tell you everything that they need to tell you. And then they come out with like a 2.0 or a 3.0 because they left stuff out in the first one. You see what I'm saying? So it's a lot of different ways that you could do this, but that's the way I'm going with. I'm just buying, but right now, I already know what I want to invest in, real estate. So now I have to learn how to get massive income. Basically, I have to learn how to upgrade my 9 to 5 income, upgrade my daily income, upgrade my online income, upgrade my landscaping business income. So I gotta learn how to get that money coming in, rolling high, get it higher so I can save 50-60% of my income. Take that, slide that off to real estate, keep doing that every single month for the next 100-200 months and see where we're at, and then reevaluate everything and see where we're at. You know what I'm saying? So I really want to do something big here. Quick $15. Once it gets to 78 cents, I can cash out another 5. So that's a blessing. All right, it's a blessing. All I do is come here, watch videos. Once in a while, I'll do a survey here and there. If I'm so busy nowadays, I don't have time. So you have to understand these are my referral earnings that are getting me these points. You could go back and watch my first 50 to 100 videos when I had no subscribers, and I was doing this every single day. So I have proof of videos of me actually doing this every single day with 0 referrals. All right, making even more money than $80, making like $150, $200 every single month. All right, so it's up to you to start grinding and get in here and start doing what you have to do. You have to make sure you ask yourself, what's your purpose? What's your reason for doing this? You're doing this because you just want to have some income. Just want to have some income so you can always invest. Because once you invest, you keep investing. You're going to invest in something that works. Then once you find something that works, you could just invest into that. Now you're not searching for investments. You already found an investment that works. Now you can just focus on your 9 to 5, focus on your online income, focus on any other streams of income that you got going on, and you could put that all into that investment. Watch it grow. That's how you create wealth. All right. You stick to something that works. You put everything in it. Once the wealth starts coming back to you, now you could go buy, material things and do whatever you want with your money. But until then, until you have the wealth builder, until you build the wealth, you can't really do that. All right. So I've been doing things the wrong way for the last 30 years. All right. So the last 3 years, I've been stepping my game up and actually studying, doing what millionaires and billionaires do. So now I'm getting on the right pace, but I got to fix 30 years of of bad habits, bad behavior, bad money habits, everything like that. I gotta fix that. So it's 30 years of fixing that. You know what I'm saying? So it's not gonna be fixed overnight. So you have to have patience while this money's coming in. So you're literally knowing all this while you making income coming in, while you're growing your income. All right. So many different ways you could do this. All right. You just have to have a different type of mindset than everybody. And you have to understand, like, this is going to get you closer to your goal because you want to invest in something, whatever it is, your own business, an online course or online store, whatever you want to invest in, you're going to need some money. Don't use your 9-to-5 money. Use this free money right here. All right. It's my OfferNation site right here. Let me go to withdraw here. It's going to be $3.25 plus the 15. So that's going to be $18.25 cash out right there, all right? $18.25. Like I said, let it build after a couple days. Let it build, all right? I'm going to just X this out since there's going to be no money in here for a little while. Let me refresh this and see what I got here. See, on here, I only got 55 cents in here. Am I upset? No, it's fine. Like, you know what I mean? That's fine. I could come in here and do one survey for 80 cents, 70 cents, get $1 and cash out $1. This is why I love these sites. These sites are international sites. All right, so it's up to you. All right, it's really up to you on an every single day basis. All right, $2 a day each site. All right, get up in here, $2 a day each site. I know you're probably looking like, yeah, but I don't know where to go to make the money on each site. This is why I tell you, go to Rewarding Ways, go through my channel, watch a Rewarding Ways video. All right, watch a Rewarding Ways video. Do exactly what I tell you to do in the video. In the video, I tell you exactly what to do step by step. All right, I'm gonna convert this, and I've been using these sites for about 2 years. Some I've been using for 3 years. I started this whole online trying to figure out things about 3 years ago when my son was born. So it's not like I'm an expert or anything like that, but as you can see, I'm making progress. I'm making things happen. So you know what I'm saying? Like I used to always have an excuse like, oh my God, this costs this, this costs this, this costs $10 a month to use, this costs $20 a month, this course costs $50, this book that I want to buy costs $80, this book, this costs $20. It's too much. So after a while, I started getting mad. Like I don't have enough income from my 9-to-5 to pay to keep these things going. I have to pay for advertising if I want to get affiliate program, and it's so much that you have to go through that people don't understand. So once you start create income. So I started creating income every single day. I'm making $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day on the computer. Every single day, every single day, every single day. So now I'm paying for ads free. I'm buying courses free. I'm buying books. I'm signing up to apps. I'm signing up to third party websites and apps that are helping me out do what I have to do free. You see what I'm saying? So it's really up to you. All right. I think, what was that? $18.25 plus this 14. 18 4 22 32 around $32.75, $32.75 total so far. I'll withdraw that. Always do instant PayPal, people. Always do instant PayPal. It's gonna be in your account within 5 minutes. I'm gonna try to see if I can have time here and log in real quick. All right. So that's all 4 sites right there: PrizeRebel, SuperPay, Rewarding Ways. I just cashed out on OfferNation. I'm going to go here to my InstaGC. Got the videos rolling. All right. All you got to do when you go to InstaGC, use my link in the description. Hopefully you get, you can probably get a promo bonus. See what type of promo bonuses they have. Use my link, sign up. Once you sign up, the first thing you want to do is go to earn, and you're going to go watch videos and let that roll. Let that roll. Watch videos, let that roll. While that's rolling, you could do other things. All right. You could do other things, or while you're getting ready for work, or while you're, taking a shower or something like that, or you clean up the house, have this on. All right, have this on. All right, but make sure you have the volume up. After a while, if you don't have the volume up for a while, it's gonna cut off. So make sure that you have the volume up and make sure it's showing on the screen, just like this. And you can just let it rock out. Let it rock out. Let it earn for you. Look at my 15-day history. Look at all these videos I watched by just leaving it on. Some days I forget. All right, so. And you get a couple points, right? It's 13 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents, 16 cents. I know what you're thinking, like, oh my God, 260. The computer was on by itself, just running by itself, like doing nothing. Like, you know what I'm saying? You have to understand. So after a while, all these little add up. After a while, next thing you know, I look up, I got $5. Well, all right, let me just cash out. So you have to understand it really helps. All right, it really helps. So I'm gonna jump in here, cash this $5 out right here. All right, so your number one beginner's guide video. Start here. Start with InstaGC. After that, go to my other sites, PrizeRebel, SuperPay, RewardingWays. Sign up there. All right, free online money maker signing out. Peace.